Hey guys, today we're doing something a little bit different, and it's actually something that you guys message me about all the time, and that is doing salmon, smoked salmon on the recteq. I have the Bullseye Deluxe set at 350 degrees, and we are gonna get right to it. We're gonna get the salmon, we're gonna get it seasoned up, and we're gonna put it skin side down directly on the grates. It's gonna go for about 25, 30 minutes until the salmon is, flaky, a little opaque. Cut this right here. All right, so we cut us a little fillet off there, and I'm using the Backyard Booyah. This is all we're doing on it for seasoning. We're gonna put a little Backyard Booyah on it, and we're gonna put it on the grill and let it go until it's cooked. Just enough to give us some flavor. That's it. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put this on the Bullseye, skin side down, like so, and we're gonna let that cook. I have an induction plate out here. We have it nice and warmed up, and we're gonna start with a little bit of garlic. So we're gonna throw some minced garlic in there, and we are gonna let that garlic cook for a minute. Then we are gonna go with about a cup of vegetable stock. A little hot. Let that simmer for a minute. And now we're gonna go with about a cup of heavy cream. So we're gonna mix in our heavy cream. We just want that to simmer for a second. And now we have about a quarter teaspoon of oregano. We have a quarter teaspoon of thyme. And now we have a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And then we're gonna take about a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna put that in there. And the star of the show, sun-dried tomatoes. Go ahead and drain the oil out of them, most of the oil, and just put those in there. And now we're just gonna stir this together, mix it all up, let it simmer, let that cheese melt. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of the Backyard Booyah rub. This is a great all-purpose rub. About a teaspoon of that. You just wanna do it to taste. Salt, pepper, onion powder, paprika, just to give it a little more flavor, a little more flair on there. We took this beautiful salmon fillet off of the recteq, and look at it. It's beautiful, simple seasoning. We hit about a 134 internal. It's about medium. It's the way I like my salmon. Our sauce is nice and thickened up. It's beautiful. So now we are gonna take this sauce and we're gonna put it right, drizzle it right on top of the salmon. Camera eats first. All right, here we go. Healthy food, healthy food. Kinda. Salmon is nice and flaky. Sorry, I'm licking my fingers. That is so good. Beautiful. I could definitely eat this every day. All right, guys, until the next video, cheers.